Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can restart OPPO without power button. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then find and enter the additional settings category. From here, go for the accessibility, then accessibility menu, and in here turn on the shortcut. Next, once you would like to reboot your device or reboot your OPPO smartphone without having to use the physical keys or buttons, just tap at the accessibility menu shortcut and over here launch the power menu. Then, get the slider to the restart option by dragging it upwards. And as you can see, our OPPO device gets successfully restarted or rebooted. Alrighty, so that will be it for this simple video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.